Alerts driver when washer fluid level is low, prompting a refill of the washer fluid reservoir. Designed for exact plug-in connection to wire harness for easy installation. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. AC Delco GM original equipment washer fluid level sensors are GM recommended replacements for your vehicle's original components. Washer fluid level sensors turn on the washer fluid warning light when it is low. These original equipment washer fluid level sensors have been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Direct replacement for the original GM switch. Easy to replace once the washer tank is removed.